How to change TikTok account. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device, and as you do that, launch the TikTok application. Make sure that you're logged into your account. Now if you want to change your TikTok account, first of all, tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Here, select on the hamburger icon at the top right corner. That will lead you to settings and privacy options. So tap on settings and privacy. As you do that, what you can simply do is tap on the option of account. As you tap on account, you can see the option of switch to business account. So tap on switch to business account, and as you do that, you'll be able to switch your account, that is right now your personal account. You can just tap on next and just learn about your audience, reach more people, and so on, and you can just choose a category over here. Now tap on next, and as you do that, you'll be able to create or change a TikTok account over here. You just have to verify yourself by entering your email address and so on. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.